Hey, what's up humans, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful week out there. Today I'm back with another Opal video, and if you're new to my channel and you enjoy this content and maybe some of the other content on my page, go ahead and subscribe. So today I am so lucky to have a subscriber parcel. I'm so excited about this, guys, and this is from a subscriber named Chris. Let's see what we got in here. So it's all wrapped up in all these different little packages with this cute little box, and let's see what we have inside. So when I open it up, I got some baggies in here, and it looks like they've already got labels on them, so that's cool. So the first thing that I have in here is this little rub here, which is beautiful. I'm totally going to work on this in a future video, give it a little re-rub and polish, and this is a piece of Australian, which is super exciting. So we'll set that aside for another video. And then this is a whopper of a stone. Look at that, it's massive crystal color. I'm probably gonna have to cut this into a few pieces. That's 85 carats. Yeah, I might even make a whole set of earrings and a necklace with that if I'm careful, so we'll definitely be doing that one sometime as well. And then this little guy, still pretty big, but look at that color. Beautiful linear flash. Looks like there could be a honeycomb maybe on one of the sides, so we'll see if I'll be able to see that at some point in the cutting of that. And that one is 33 carats, and these are generous sizes. It's awesome. Great color in that stone. Can't wait to work on that one. And then the big honcho here, it's a black opal, so I'm definitely going to be working on it, or a dark opal. But this looks like a piece of Stayish Mine opal. It's 29 carats, and let me just show this to you guys. So we got lots of dirt coming from all sides, and this will just be a fun little gamble piece, and you guys can really see how dark this is, and there's definitely some green and red flash in there. I don't know if the camera's quite picking it up, but this is awesome if I can get something out of it, and even if I can't, it'll be a real fun experience. So if you guys want to see what happens with this stone, if I'm able to get something or if I get beaten by dirt, stay tuned to find out. So before we start cutting opal, it's super important to wear glasses to protect your eyes and a dust mask to protect your lungs. And so today I am going to be showing you guys the whole cutting process of this stone. No slow-mo, but also no weird dremel sounds, because I'm not a fan of those. Personally, I find them abrasive, and I'll wear earplugs when I'm cutting opals sometimes. But I really wanted you guys to be able to see the whole cutting process of this stone, since it is such a gamble piece, and I love a good gamble piece. It's fun as heck. You never know what you're gonna get, and this one looks like there could be something. I tried to shine the flashlight through it, but I just wasn't able to get any light to get through it, so I am very skeptical at this point. But even anything is nice, and even if I don't, it's still a great learning experience. So since I am just plopping you guys down with the full-length video, I'm gonna leave you guys to some music, and then I'll touch back with another voiceover at the end. Normally, my music is royalty free, but I do make music myself, which you can find on SoundCloud. So I'm gonna leave you to some musical stylings done by me. So this was the point that I realized I might not get a whole big stone out of this. So if you can see the dirt parts down towards the bottom of the stone, I thought, what would Black Opal Direct do? What would the Opal Mills do? What would Pulitzer Opal and Global Prospecting do? Well, they'd probably make a freeform shape out of it. So I tried to make a freeform shape, just trying to salvage anything that I could. And you'll just have to wait and see what we ended up with. At this point, I just started breaking off any of the dirt that I felt like I could break off with my hands, and just continuing to try to work it down to any freeform shape that I could get. this is what we ended up with, guys. There's no way I could actually get anything out of this particular piece. We did end up getting beaten by sand for the first time on this channel, and that is alright. Because, you know, sometimes that's gonna happen, and you need to take that as a learning experience and work on it for the future. Now, it is, of course, discouraging when you did pay a lot for a stone and it doesn't work out. That's just the gamble of the art. And, you know, I'm still pretty happy about this. So this is the painting that I'm showing you guys this week. I did this painting way back in 2018. This is of a YouTuber named William Osman, who does science videos. And this is way back in the day when he used to say, "That's a lot of bees," and he likes cats. So I did lightsaber battling cats over a planet of bees. I like He-Man and Nicolas Cage, so I decided to put He-Man on rainbow roller skates. Well, it's not He-Man, it's Prince Adam, but you know what I mean. And then you got Nicolas Cage Galaxy up in the top, laser beaming glitter beams into William Osman's head, giving him a brain explosion. And then if you see, I have Burrito Cat and Taco Cat, and I even painted Eternia off to the side. The lasers and all the stars are metallic, and yeah. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Keep posted for future videos that aren't Opal content, and I'll see you guys next time that I post.